يعطيكم العافية. Present simple and present continuous. So, what is the difference between present simple and present continuous? What is the form of each of them? Now, look at present simple. The present simple is something that we use every day. شيء عم نعمله كل يوم. So, من keywords الرئيسية تبعته اللي هي كلمة every. أما بالنسبة للpresent continuous الكيوردز تبعته الأساسية اللي هي now. شو يعني now؟ يعني هلأ something عم يحدث الآن. Okay? Something that is happening right now. لازم نعرف كيف بدي أعمل جملة باستخدام present simple، كيف بدي أعمل جملة باستخدام present continuous. Let's see. Present simple, for example. The present simple, we have to know that we have she and he and it. They will take what? They are, أول شيء إنهم singular. They are what? The singular. And we have the plural pronouns such as what? Plural pronouns, okay? Such as is they, will we, and you, and I. Now, what will they take? What will they take? What will happen to the verb? As I said, لأنه هدول simple because it's simple. يعني ما معهم شيء يسندهم. فهدول مفرد singular. So I have to add something to the verb. يا إما s أو es. أما بحالة البلورال ما بضيف شي على الفيرب، ينزل مثل ما هو. يعني بيكونوا جماعة هون فهو ما بيخاف وبضله لحاله. أوكي؟ أما بالنسبة لل present continuous اللي هو something that is happening right now, we have she, he, and it, and they, we, and you, and we have I. Now, she and he and it will take is. Good job. And they, we, you will take are, and I will take am. Yes. Plus كلهم بياخدوا verb منضيف عليه ال ing. ing. Yes. So this is the form. This is the form of the present simple and present continuous. هذا الفورم لازم إنه نكون متبعينه وعارفينه وإحنا عم نكون sentences. Now, let's see these two sentences and see the difference between them. In order to know what are the keywords of each of them. In order to know what are the keywords of each of them. Keywords of the present simple. الأشياء المطالبين فيها لل present simple. والkeywords المطالبين فيها for the present continuous. Okay, now for the present simple, look at this sentence. She often, verb, make coffee in the morning. Yes. Another thing. In the morning, they always go for a walk. Okay, look at this sentence. This is a present simple tense. How? Because we have often. So often, it's a key word of the present simple. So often, it's a key word from the present simple. So from often أنا بعرف إنه أنا هون لازم أحط S على الفعل إذا كان عندي الضمير مفرد. So she is singular. So I have to put or I have to write makes. I have to write makes. Now here, in the morning, they always go for a walk. Now, I will look at this first. This is the key word. Always. Always is the key word, is another key word. Okay, so from always, I know that it's present simple. So I will put go. Why did I put go, not goes? Because they, what? They is a plural pronoun, not singular. Now, look at these sentences here for the present continuous. Now, she give an English class, which means now. Now it's a key word from the present continuous. Yeah, from now I know that it's a present continuous. So now she, what will I do from she? Now she will take what? أنا لما أطلع على present continuous لازم أكون حاط بعين الاعتبار الإز والآر والآم. اوكي حتى ما أنسى والاي ان جي. هذا الرسم دايما يضل بخيالي لما بقرأ كلمة continuous. عشان لما أشوف جملة مثل هاي ما أتصعب. أوكي أحكي على السريع إنه she will take as زائد give I will add ing. طبعا E you know what will we do from E. Okay, so giving will be what? Giving. Another word. Today. Today. Now today is another keywords. Sorry, another keywords. It's today. Another keyword from the present continuous. So today they visit us. Okay, from today I know that I will put as or are or am plus ing, which means continuous. Now we have they. They is a plural, so what will take? Are. Good job. So are today